In this video, I'm going to talk about Krisspy. Its lifetime deal is back again for the app Sumo Black Friday, so you can get the 10% extra discount on the every plan you are getting on the lifetime deal. So this is the tool you can use to create the AI agent for every step of your building apps, landing pages, CRM and more. It will give you the Figma like user interface. Don't worry, I'm also going to give you a detailed demo and the tutorial how this user interface look like and how you are going to use to creating the apps, all landing pages and even the website here. So starting from the $119, this is the lifetime deal you will get here, and you will use the AI agents to building everything. So without wasting any more time, let me give you the detailed demo and the tutorial of the Krisspy here. Hey folks, this is Basant here. In this video, I'm going to review and give a detailed overview on the Krisspy AI. This is the tool you can use to build user-centric app interfaces, basically the user experience and the user interfaces for your entire products using the AI platform here. So it got more than 40 plus reviews and the platform is really good here. In this video, I will give a detailed tutorial and the demo how this platform work out. Best part, all the designs you are going to create integrate with the Figma design, so you can also share with your teams, accelerate your workflow or launch production ready interfaces here. Now let me get to the dashboard here. So this is how its dashboard look like. You have to click here on the create a new app, and there are two ways available. First one, text prompts and generate screens instantly in a sandbox environment, and the second one, that is the create a full app. Start a project from the brief and define the scope of your app. So using this second option, you can create the web app or the mobile app. So I'm going to use the second one, and after that it is going to ask me to define your product. Okay, so here you have to give the idea like your app, what the problem it is going to solve out, what are the features. So I have already information available. This is the healthcare appointment app, so I'm going to simply copy the information here, and here I have given the problem statement and the core features I want. Okay, so simply that's how you have to define your project or the product here. So once you ready this one, now you can see I have just pasted. Now here's the really quick information I want to give you, and this is the really important. You can see there's this button available, that is AI enhance. So it is going to analyze all your information and going to create in detailed form of your web app with the user flow. Okay, so let me click here on the AI enhance. It will take few seconds, so you have to wait, but let me tell you, this is worth it. Okay, so let's see, it is still loading. Okay, we are done, and now let me show you. So this is the wizard it has created, and this is the user flow. You can see this is really mind-blowing, and this is all the core features and the things I need in my app here. So if you want to change anything, feel free to change here. Okay, so once everything is done, you have to click on the next. Now once the next button you will click, it will take some time to thinking or creating the wireframe. It can take around the 5 to 7 minutes, so you have to wait. Now I am going to fast forward this. And this is how the wireframe is looking like. You can see this is my main screen, this is the login page, and this is all the pages are interconnected with each other. So if I click here on the left top, you can see there's the name it has given me, that is the MediConnect. So actually I am liking this name. So when I click here on the overview, it is all the information about my web app. I can also click here on the mobile application, and now it will be turned into the mobile application in terms of the coding here. Okay, now you can see I can also check out all the industry and the audience from here. That is the basically from the onboarding or the creating the project. It is the process that is came in front of you, and it has automatically selected all this information. Okay, now let me tell you how you can edit any of these pages. Suppose I want to edit this main page. So you can see this is the button. You can see, let me go to the mobile view so I can show you in the really good way. So this is the edit page. So here you can check out in the different devices layout. This is the mobile, this is the tablet, and this is the your laptop and the desktop view. So when I click any of the page, this is the edit button, and there is the edit screen. So here you have to describe the changes you want to change in the screen, and after that it will automatically using the AI change the screen, the information you have given here. Okay, now there's also the this copilot option available here below, and here you have to provide the errors you are facing, problems you are facing, or the changes you want to do, and this copilot is going to help you out. Okay, now there are the few more options available. This is for the selecting, this is for the move. So when I click here on this hand icon, I can move easily, and this is for the select. So I want to select any element of the page, I have to use this one, and after that I can easily select that page element. Then this is the edit or add mode. From here I can add the things or edit. So you can see I have selected this element, and now this is all the function editing. On the right side I can see here, or change, I want to change the styles. From here I want to change the loop condition, I can do it from here. And this is for the code. Suppose if you have also a coding experience, you can do the changes in the coding in this code section. And this is for the feedback, and this is the settings available you want to change in your registration page, in the header. This is the thing how you can do that. So that's how you are going to change the things in any page you have selected. Then we have convert to UI option available. So basically this feature is right now not available, it's in the upcoming mode for the web app, but for the applications or the mobile apps, this is the options available with the themes. So you have to select any of the themes. I think it has the 4 or 5 themes available. Okay, it has around the 6 themes available. You can select any of these. So I am going to go with, I think this one looks good here, last one. Okay, so I will select this one, simply select, and after that you can see convert to high fidelity. Basically it is going to turn your wireframe into the user interface. So I'm going to click here, and now it will take again few seconds up to the few minutes. You have to wait till the everything is loading up, so we have to wait. So you can see if I go to the here, and if I want to minimize or maximize the viewing here, I have to just select or click the control button, and after that I have in the my brow this mouse, I have to just simply scroll. Okay, and that's how you are going to zoom in and zoom out. Now let me show you other thing. So when I click here on these 3 dots, I got the other options available, like I want to download the screen, I want to edit the screen. So simply click here on the edit screen, and now you will start editing. That is the first option I have showed you. So apart from this converting to UI, there is the feedback option available, and there is the export option available. So when I click here on the export, these all the 2 options still in the beta and the upcoming mode. So I can export the screens as the Figma design. So simply click here. So it is going to show you 3 options to design export in the which device, like for the mobiles, for the tablet, or the desktop, and you have to select and click here on the export, and your designs will be the exports as the Figma. Then here's the best one, that is the play your prototype. You want to see actually this prototype that you have created as the wireframe is working pretty good or not. So simply click here on the play prototype, open prototype. Okay, and now it is going to load up your wireframes in the actual view. Okay, so right now I have selected this is the mobile view, that's why it is opening in the mobile view. Okay, and here is the my desktop view. Okay, so this is the desktop view I have opened up. So this is the mobile view, and this is the desktop view. So you have to select the view, after that you will able to play that prototype. Okay, and from here you can also change the prototype screen, by the way. So let me get started with the login. This is the same demo I have showed you in the first on the starting. I am showing you right now. So click here on the login, and now you will access all the things. From here I can change the layout of the device, and this is the going to be changed. So this is showing you that the prototype is fully functional and the responsive. Okay, so that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe this channel if you want to stay updated with these kind of the AI tools, softwares, or the SaaS platforms. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.